that the Indian government has now decided that there will be no flights between India and the United Kingdom. It is owing to the new COVID strain. Because of the new COVID strain, we can now this is breaking news on NDTV, that India has banned flights to and from the United Kingdom. No flights are going to take place from the United Kingdom. This decision has taken place minutes ago. So we'll try going to Vishnu Som with all the latest. Vishnu, can you get us more updates on how this and why this decision has been taken?
All right. Well, this is something that's happened just in the last couple of minutes. The Civil Aviation Ministry has just tweeted out what we've been about to break, that considering, and I'm reading out what they've said, considering the prevailing situation in the United Kingdom, the Government of India has decided that all flights originating from the United Kingdom to India to be suspended till the 31st of December 2020, that's 23:59 hours. The suspension to start with effect from 23:59, 22nd December, so that's tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. Consequently, flights from India to the UK shall stand temporarily suspended during the above period. As a measure of abundant precaution, passengers arriving from the UK in all transit flights, in other words, flights that have taken off or flights which are reaching India before the 22nd of December at 11:59 p.m. should be subject to mandatory RT-PCR test on arrival at the airports concerned. In other words, those passengers who came in with RT-PCR tests taken, I believe, within 3 days of their arrival in India would still need to do another RT-PCR test upon arrival over here. Indian airports, the primary ones, have RT-PCR testing facilities already in the airports. So there would be a second round of tests which would actually take place as well. But the breaking news now, the Government of India has temporarily suspended all flights from the United Kingdom till the 31st of December. The suspension of flights starts at 11:59, 22nd December 2020. So tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night, flights will be temporarily suspended. This is being done on the basis of the mutant strand of the COVID virus, which is now creating havoc in the United Kingdom. And India's decision to suspend flights from the United Kingdom follows in the wake of several countries having done this earlier on. Some countries like Saudi Arabia have put a temporary hold on all flights from all countries. India now making it clear that even flights which are not direct flights would be suspended. I'm going to read that out again.
Yeah.
Considering the prevailing situation, the government has decided that all flights originating from the UK to India to be suspended. The suspension to start at the time I mentioned, 11:59 tomorrow. Consequently, flights from India to the UK shall stand temporarily suspended during the above period. Passengers arriving from the UK in transit flights, so this is important, flights that have taken off or flights which are reaching India before the 22nd of December should be subject to mandatory RT-PCR tests. So this, the testing actually, which is going to take place in the interim period, affects passengers who are on flights which are indirect flights. In other words, if you have boarded a flight from the United Kingdom and are flying through perhaps United Arab Emirates or some other country, then you would also be subjected to an RT-PCR test. But I would assume at this stage that all flights originating from UK to India would mean passengers as well. So those coming into India would possibly and are not on direct flights would also likely be affected by this.
Vishnu, are we to assume that this is a precautionary measure? Because, I'm sure people with this UK strand would have traveled to other parts of the world also. So that decision has not been taken as of this moment. It's just the United Kingdom.
Well, as I mentioned, Sanket, Saudi Arabia has banned all flights, right?
Yeah.
So, their regulations now for the next couple of days are very, very stringent for people who have come in the last couple of days. So, it is precautionary. We don't have a reaction from the Government of India just yet on their assessment of this mutant strand of the COVID virus. But it's being done with abundant precaution, obviously, and the date is only till the 31st of December. So the sense is that they would reassess the situation. And as you know, that when it comes to flight bans, which India has invoked in the past, bans are there till a particular date, and then they are extended or they are not extended, depending on what the situation may be. But I think it's important that we reflect on this, because, as you know, Sanket, the United Kingdom, one of our closest partners, thousands of passengers every day would be coming in on flights. Air India operates from 8 destinations in India. Apart from Air India, there is Vistara as well, British Airways flights which come in, and of course passengers who use flights which aren't direct flights. So there are families there are students over there. So this is it's a humanitarian issue at that level as well.
Absolutely, Vishnu.